Hello and welcome to Database-Driven KPI Dashboard Excel template. With this template, you can easily measure and analyze your metrics by monthly and also make a special metric analysis, all by entering your metrics into a database. So if you already have a company data with metrics and its values, all you can do is copy paste and then see the results for yourself. Here is how the template works. If you would like to divide your metrics as groups, you can write the groups in here. These groups will later on be seen in these sections. Later on, write your metrics. Choose the unit from the drop-down list. If you have a special unit, you can enter it. The drop-down will allow it. Later on, choose the cumulative form. This cumulative form will be later the structure of your cumulative board. So it is a value, choose number, and if it is a ratio, choose ratio. Then later on, choose if it's low or better, the dashboard format, and if you have notes for each metric, you can write it into this section. Once you're done, you can continue with the metric database. In this section, all you have to do is write your date and then choose your metric from the drop-down list. And then write the value for that metric. Once you're done entering all your data into this database, now you can see your metric results in this section. Start by adjusting the dates that you would like to display. Choose the month, and then it is going to start with that month. If you would like to see a different year's results, you can just input the year and you may display that year's results. On the target database section, this is the targets that you would like to achieve. So input the numbers as your targets, and then later on you will be able to compare your results with the targets. If you would like to compare the 2 years instead of the target database, let's say that you would like to compare 2023 and 2024, all you can do is input the year 2024, select all the numbers and then copy it and then paste it as values. So this is crucial, that you have to paste it as values. Otherwise, it would paste the formulas instead of the values. So we got our 2024 data in here, 2023 data in here, and now we can check our cumulative results. This is the 2023 and this is for 2024. Once you choose the years in this section, the title in these places will change according to the year that you input. Once you're done entering your results in this section and also entering your target values, now you can compare and analyze your metric results. On the KPI dashboard section, you can easily see the values for the target and also actual divided by target index. Just choose the month from the drop-down list that you would like to display. You will also have additional properties such as highlight according to monthly index, cumulative index, or according to both. If you don't want it to be highlighted, just choose do not highlight. The auto formatting section are the conditional formatting that you already choose in this section. If you allow enable auto formatting, you will be able to see in the format that you choose in the metrics section You can disable it by choose Disable Auto Formatting from the drop-down list. You may also set the interval of your index level. If you think that the index level, let's say 80, is a success, all you have to do is define the parameters in this section. Let's say 0 to 50 is red, 50 to 70 it's yellow, and above 70 is green. And the index colors will be set according to your choices in this section. You may also make an analysis based on your metrics. All you have to do is choose the proper metric from the drop-down list. Once you choose, the formulas and the charts will be adjusted according to that immediately. You will be able to see the monthly metrics and also the cumulative metrics with the cumulative index in this section. I hope this video was informative enough. If you like this template, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.